It's unfortunate that this is the state in which you're seeing my face for the first time. Hello everyone, my name is Deepika. Yeah, so for this video, I'm going to try to recreate, and try is the key word here, a Bella Hadid look. So yeah, I have selected many looks, and I've also realized that I don't have foundation. So although I've selected many looks, I now feel that only a few of them will work. So that is the challenge we are dealing with right now. So yeah, I will begin this effort, and hopefully on a scale of 1 to 10, this turns out a solid 4.6 or 5.2 result. Also, I realize I do not look like Bella Hadid, but that is the fun of this. So I'm in between like 3 looks. One requires bangs, and I don't have that, so I'm going to have to finesse something. And one is easier, but it's been blurred out, so I don't really know what to do. And the other one I feel like requires foundation. So we'll do the red lips one. Yeah, I will begin this journey now, and I hope you stick along to join me. I'm going to start with this primer, and I'm going to apply it on my face. Now that I've tied my hair back, and you can see my ears even more prominently, which is great, I think I'm going to do the eyes first. Okay, I'm gonna do like orange first. Oh, maybe I need a brush. Okay, I'm going to just put it on my lid. I don't even know if that's the correct technique. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, I'm going to add concealer to my face and hope that this whole thing changes for me, because I went to do my hair. Hopefully this isn't utterly disappointing. Okay, I have now curled my hair and I'm going to put on a look that I think resembles this peak shirt and hopefully reaches whatever number I decided to state in the beginning. Okay, I don't know how closely this matches, but whatever. Yeah, I tried. You know what they say about people who try. It's good enough for some things. So I got this jacket from one of the closets in my house, and I presume it was my mom's. It was at one point a jacket that my mom adorned. That's the most important. Then I put on this shirt from Zara. Oh, and I got these. I mean, these are like not even close to what kind of glasses she's wearing, but you know, a little knocked up a little. They've been knocked around. I don't know if that's which one's the correct name. IDK, but yeah, I feel like this is close enough. Okay. I feel like if I did like one of those frames where people recreate the look, it'll be like cringy. Okay, I tried. This was an interesting video. I don't even know if I did it. I don't know. Now there's more volume on this side. Maybe I should try the other side. But I don't like this side. I'm gonna be honest. I feel like I look really bald on this side. On the other side. Now it just looks like I have 4 eyes. Honestly, I don't know how people do this and not think that they look like they have 4 eyes. Okay, that's enough.